Welcome to the Easy English Cast. Let's learn English together. Enjoy your podcast.
Hello, everyone.
Hi,
Welcome back to English Bites.
it's great to be here.
Today, we're talking about food.
I love food.
We'll learn how to order it.
Order food? Like in a restaurant?
Exactly. Ordering food in a restaurant.
Oh, that's very useful.
It is. Imagine you're hungry.
Yes, I'm often hungry.
You go to a restaurant.
Okay, and then?
You need to talk to the waiter.
The waiter?
Yes. They help you.
I see. So, how do I start?
We'll learn some simple phrases.
Like what?
Like, can I have?
Can I have?
Yes. For example, can I have a menu, please?
Can I have a menu, please?
Good. A menu shows the food.
Ah, right.
And then you can order your food.
So, can I have is important.
Very important.
I'm ready to learn.
Great. Let's start with the menu. So, Ava, we're talking about ordering food.
Yeah, ordering food.
Why do you think it's important?
Good question.
Well, imagine you're on holiday.
Oh, I love holidays.
You're hungry.
Always hungry.
You go to a restaurant.
Yes.
You don't speak the language well,
Oh no.
but you need to eat.
Right.
So, knowing how to order is key.
Key? What does key mean?
It means very important.
Ah, I see. Very important.
Exactly. It helps you get what you want.
I want pizza.
Haha, yes. Or maybe a nice salad.
Salad is good too.
It makes your trip easier
Easier is good.
and more enjoyable.
Enjoyable. I like that word.
You can try new foods,
Ooh, new foods.
and you don't have to just point.
Pointing is hard sometimes.
It really is. So it's a useful skill.
A useful skill. Yes, I get it.
Great. Let's start with the menu. Right. So, you have the menu.
Yes, I see it.
What do you see?
Many foods.
Good. Let's imagine a situation.
Okay.
You go to a cafe?
A cafe? Like for coffee?
Yes, and maybe a small meal.
I like cafes.
So you sit down,
I sit.
and a waiter comes.
A waiter?
Yes, a person who helps you.
Oh, I see.
He asks, "Can I help you?"
Can I help you?
You can say, "Yes, please."
Yes, please.
Then you look at the menu.
I look.
Maybe you want a drink first.
A drink? Like water?
Yes, you can say, "I'd like some water, please."
I'd like some water, please.
Very good. It's a polite way to ask.
Polite?
Yes, it's nice.
I want to be nice.
Great. So, you have water.
And then?
You want to order food now. So, you're ready to order.
Yes, I'm hungry.
Great. First, you need to greet the waiter.
Greet? Like say hello?
Exactly. It's good manners.
Okay, what do I say?
A simple hello is fine.
Just hello?
Yes. Or hi.
Hi. Got it.
And if it's evening, you can say good evening.
Good evening.
Like, good evening. We'd like a table for two.
Oh, I see.
So, hello or hi is very common.
What if they come to you?
Then you can say hello when they arrive.
Okay.
Or, hi there.
Hi there.
It's friendly.
I like hi there.
Good. So, imagine the waiter walks over.
Okay.
You look up and say hello,
Hello.
or hi there.
Hi there.
That's it for greeting them.
That's easy.
It is. Just be polite.
I'll try.
You'll do great.
Thanks.
So, you say hello. What next?
Good morning.
Yes. If it's morning, say good morning.
Good morning.
Perfect. And if it's afternoon?
Good afternoon.
Exactly. You're doing great.
I see.
So, we greet the waiter.
Hello.
Or, good morning.
Good morning.
Or, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Very good. Now, imagine the waiter says it first.
Oh?
Yes. They might say hello.
Hello.
Or, good morning.
Good morning.
Or, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You just say it back.
Okay. It's easy.
It is. So, hello, good morning, good afternoon.
Got it.
We'll practice more soon.
Great.
For now, just remember the greetings.
I will.
You're a fast learner.
Thank you.
So, after greeting, what do you think happens?
You need a table, right?
Exactly. You need a place to sit.
How do I ask for a table?
It's simple. You can say, a table, please.
A table, please.
Good. Like, table for one, please.
Table for one, please.
That's for you, if you're alone.
Oh, I see. What if there are two people?
Then you say, a table for two, please.
A table for two, please.
Perfect. You're getting it.
So, it's always a table for.
Yes, usually. You tell them how many people.
What if I want to be more polite?
You can say, can I have a table for two?
Can I have a table for two?
That's very good.
It sounds nicer.
It does. Or, we'd like a table for two.
We'd like a table for two.
Great. You're practicing well.
So, a table for one or a table for two.
Yes, that's the basic way.
And can I have is also good?
Absolutely. It shows you're learning.
This is helpful.
I'm glad. Now, imagine you're at the door.
Okay, I'm there.
You see the waiter. What do you say?
Hello. A table for two, please.
Perfect. Now, the waiter gives you the menu.
Oh, yes. The menu.
What do you do when you see words you don't know?
That's a good question, Andrew.
It's okay not to know every word.
Really? I feel shy.
Don't worry. You can ask.
Ask what?
You can ask the waiter.
Ask the waiter about the menu?
Yes. You can say, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Then you can point to the menu.
And then?
You can ask, what is this?
What is this?
Yes. It's simple.
So, I point and say, what is this?
Exactly. The waiter can help.
What if I don't understand the answer?
You can ask them to explain it.
Explain it? How?
You can say, can you explain, please?
Can you explain, please?
Yes. Like, can you explain this dish, please?
Ah, I see. So many new phrases.
It's okay to learn them slowly.
Okay. Excuse me. What is this?
And can you explain, please?
I'll try to remember them.
Now you're at the table. What do you do?
I don't know. What's next?
You can say, can I see the menu?
Can I see the menu?
That's it. You're asking to see the food list.
Oh, it's easy.
Yeah, it's simple.
I'll try to use it.
You can. It's very useful.
Really? What's next?
Well, They give you the menu.
Then I look at it.
You do, and you choose food.
I see. It's not hard.
No, it's not, don't worry.
I'd like to practice more.
We will, don't worry.
Okay. What's the phrase again?
Can I see the menu? Right, now you try it.
I'm trying. It's fun.
It is, you're learning fast.
Yeah, I feel good.
You should, you're doing well.
Thanks, I'm happy.
You're welcome, keep going.
Okay, I will.
That's the spirit.
I'm not tired yet.
Good, let's keep practicing.
Yeah, let's do it.
We'll take a break soon.
Okay, sounds good.
Now you're ready to order.
Yeah, what do I say?
You can say, can I have a drink?
Can I have a drink?
It's simple, right?
Right, got it.
Do you want water or juice?
I'd like water.
Say, I'd like water, please.
I'd like water, please.
That's it, well done.
What about other drinks?
You can say, can I have a coffee?
Can I have a coffee?
Yeah. Or can I have a tea?
Can I have a tea?
It's easy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's easy.
Don't forget to say please.
I won't, thanks.
You're welcome, Ava.
Oh, what about soda?
Say, can I have a soda?
Can I have a soda?
You can choose a flavor,
Like what?
like cola or lemon.
I see, okay.
Just say the flavor.
Like, I'd like a cola?
That's right, yeah.
Really? It's that simple?
Yeah, it's simple.
Okay, sounds good.
Now you want to order food, right?
Yeah, I do.
You say I'd like.
I'd like.
Then you say the food.
What food?
Like burger or salad.
I'd like a burger.
That's it, you're done.
Really?
Yeah, it's easy.
What if I want fries?
You say
And?
and fries.
I'd like a burger and fries.
That's right.
Oh, great.
You can also say, can I have?
Can I have?
It's like, I'd like.
I see.
Can I have a sandwich? You try it.
Can I have a chicken sandwich?
Well done.
Thanks.
Now you try with drink.
I'd like a coffee.
And food.
And a burger.
Good job.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Okay, let's eat.
Okay, sounds good.
I'm glad you're ready.
Me too, I'm ready.
You're a great student.
Thanks, Andrew.
Don't worry, it's easy.
I know, I'm learning.
You're doing well.
Thanks, I try.
That's the spirit.
I'd like to practice.
Good idea, let's practice. Okay, let's order food now.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
You're hungry, right?
Yeah, I am.
I'd like to teach you a phrase.
What's the phrase?
I'd like something to eat. You can say I'd like a burger.
I want a burger.
That's okay too. You can say I want.
I want a salad.
Or you can say I'd like a salad.
It's the same?
Yeah, it's the same.
Really?
Well, almost the same.
I see.
I'd like is more polite.
Oh, I'd like is polite.
Yeah, that's right.
I'll say I'd like.
Good choice. Let's practice.
I'd like a sandwich.
Great job, Ava.
Thanks, Andrew.
You're welcome. Now it's my turn.
I'd like a coffee.
I want a coffee too.
We like coffee.
Yeah, we do.
I'd like to practice more.
Okay, let's order more food. Now you've got your food, what's next?
I don't know. What's next?
You need to pay. It's time to ask for the bill.
Oh, right. How do I do that?
You say, "Can I have the bill?"
Can I have the bill?
That's it. You're asking for the check.
What's the difference, bill or check?
It's the same. Don't worry about it.
Really, I can use both?
Yeah, both are okay. It's fine.
I see. That's easy.
Now try it. Ask me for the bill.
Can I have the bill?
Here you go. That's it.
What do I do now?
You pay. It's time to pay.
How do I say I want to pay?
You say, "I'd like to pay."
I'd like to pay.
Great. Now you're paying.
Do I give them my money?
Yeah, you give them your money.
And they give me change?
That's right. They give you change.
I see. That makes sense.
It's easy. Don't worry about it.
Okay, I think I got it.
You're doing great. Keep it up.
Thanks, I'm trying.
That's all for today. You're done.
Yeah, I'm happy I learned a lot.
Me too. It was fun.
Can we practice again?
Yeah, we can practice again.
I'd like to practice more.
We'll practice more next time. Now you've got your food. What do you say?
I say thanks, right?
Yeah, you're right. It's thank you.
That's easy, I know that.
You can say thanks too. It's friendly.
Okay, got it, thanks.
When the waiter brings your food, say thank you.
I will, thank you.
You can also say thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
It shows you're happy with the service.
Yeah, that makes sense.
If you want to be polite, you can say please and thank you.
Please and thank you, I remember.
Say thank you when you get the bill too.
Right, when I pay, thank you.
Don't forget to smile when you say it.
I won't, it's polite.
It makes the staff happy. You're happy.
Yeah, everyone's happy.
You can say thanks a lot too.
Thanks a lot.
It's a bit more friendly, you know?
I see, yeah.
Use it with friends or in a cafe.
Okay, got it.
Now let's practice. I'll be the waiter.
Okay, here's my money, thanks.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too, thanks.
Remember, it's easy to be polite.
Yeah, just say thanks.
That's right. It's simple.
I'll do it, thanks.
Great. I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Andrew.
You're welcome, Ava. That's it. We're done.
Yeah, it's finished.
You learned a lot, Ava.
I did, it's great.
Let's recap, okay?
Okay, go on.
We talked about restaurants.
And food, yeah.
You can say, "Can I see the menu?"
Can I see the menu?
Then you order, right?
I'd like a burger.
Or you can say, "I want."
I want a salad.
Don't forget to say thanks.
You're welcome, thanks.
It's polite, you know?
Yeah, I know.
You're welcome, Ava, remember?
I remember, thanks.
Okay, time to go, bye.
See you, Andrew.
It was fun, Ava.
Yeah, fun talking.
You're a great student.
Thanks, Andrew.
Keep practicing, okay?
Okay, I will.
You'll get better, yeah?
I hope so, really.
Don't worry, you're fine.
Thanks, Andrew, bye.
Goodbye, Ava, take care.
You too, Andrew, bye.
See you next time, Ava.
Yeah, next time, bye.